How can water companies improve their communications and build stronger customer trust? That's one question we set out to answer with communication experts Stephanie Corso, John Gonzalez, and Paul Davisons in a recent white paper produced by KTM. Entitled Communications and Water Management, How Utilities Can Communicate Better, the report brings together insights on how water companies can overcome internal and external challenges and communicate better. In my section, Story is King, harnessing the power of storytelling through creative content, we look at how water companies can build positive relationships with their customers in an engaging way. It looks at how perspectives can be transformed by telling the stories of unsung heroes within organizations, but also why we need to tap into the why behind the stories. Too often, the what, the plant capacity, the investment, the technology is communicated first, but we explain why this should come later on. We also present the hero's journey, popularized by American writer Joseph Campbell, as a potential framework for storytelling and way to help humanize the industry.